Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own foam farm. This foam farm will work in the background and works really, really well. Stick around to find out how. You can also get an extra $5 or pounds or whichever local currency you have to help you get started on your foam farming journey. To do this, just click the link in the description. It's down below and you get $5 just for clicking it. So what are you waiting for? Go and click it. I'll go over what foam farming is, how to get the phones, and how you can start making some good money off it. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you need to try and get your phone, and I'll just take it off here. I had this phone lying around, it's on 0 battery now, but I had this phone just lying around and I thought, sitting there not doing anything, and I might as well use it. So first you need to clean it, so I will show you how to clean it now. So first of all, you need to get one of these phone cleaner things. You can get them on Amazon or loads of different places. So just going to spray. So because mine didn't have enough in, I had to take it out. So I'm going to put it back in now, just through here. Okay, so now, because you've sprayed the phone, I'm just going to use the black side like this to just wipe it down, and keep repeating this in all of the little corners until there should be. And if there are some bits that still haven't done anything, just press it again. And there we go. Right, so now it's time to install HONEYGAIN. So first, just go to the App Store. I'm just going to search it up here. So here we have the App Store, and we're just going to go to here and search for HONEYGAIN. It's no space, it's just HONEYGAIN. So just type it in like this. Then click search. Scroll down and it's one with the B logo. You will click download, but for me, because I've already installed it, it says open. So feel free to install that now. And after that, it should lead you to an interface that looks like this. This is what it'll look like when you're fully set up. Except what you will be seeing now is very different. You should just see the terms and conditions. And then you'll be shown a bunch of images which look like this. And then it'll show you the terms and conditions and the privacy policy again. You just need to scroll to the bottom and then click accept. And then it will just lead you to this. And after that, you need to log in and it will show your balance. After that, if you're on iOS, you need to always keep it on. Or if you're on an Android, it works in the background. So after you've set the phone up for phone farming, I would recommend attaching Velcro onto the back and then onto where you are. I know this is made out of cardboard and it's very scuffy, but it works just as well. So just put your phone where you want it to. I'm going to attach it here. And so I get the most out of the 49% that I have got. It will turn power saving mode on. And that just turns it to black. You can click on it and it will pop back on. To see how much money that you actually got, you can click to overview and you can see. So we're all done now for starting up your phone farm. As you can see, it was pretty easy and you just need to repeat the progress to add more things. And you can now get £5 to start you off, so you only need to get £15 to cash out and not 20. To get this, just press the link in the description. Bye!